Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your keybinds in Hytale. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, navigate to controls. Here, scroll down, or, well, because those are not exactly changing the keybinds, so scroll down to the movement or lower. Simply select a position, the control you want to change, click on it. I will change it to the hour up, the up key, that is. You can also clear this completely by pressing this to remove the current keybind, and you can change them however you like. You can also reset those keybinds to the default. This also resets all other settings, so beware of that. And you can choose to change the following: the movement, actions, creative, menus, builder tools, miscellaneous and debug. After you make your changes, hit Save Changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.